Buckle up, because TikTok, yep, the app that's turned your downtime into a vortex of dance-offs, life hacks, and questionable trends, might be getting a $30 billion glow-up from Microsoft and Oracle. This isn't just another headline about rich companies flexing their wallets. It's a move that could rewrite the rules of how you share those goofy lip syncs, scroll through your For You page, and stay secure online. Think about it. Your late-night binge sessions, your personal data, even the weird trends you can't resist jumping on, they're all on the table here. Why does this matter to you? Because behind all the buzz, this deal's wrestling with massive questions about privacy, power, and where the tech world's headed next. So let's unpack it. What's really at stake for you and the billion-plus TikTok faithful out there? For years now, TikTok's been more than just a fun little app. It's been stuck in the middle of a geopolitical tug-of-war. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, its reach is insane. You've got teens in Ohio nailing choreography, influencers in LA building empires, and even small-town entrepreneurs selling handmade goods, all powered by this short-form video machine. But that meteoric rise? It's come with a shadow. The US government's been sweating over national security and data privacy ever since TikTok's parent company ByteDance set up shop in China. Could your dance clips or watch history end up in Beijing's hands? That's the fear driving this whole saga. Now, Microsoft and Oracle, two of the biggest names in tech, have teamed up to snag TikTok's US operations, hoping to flip the script. This isn't some casual buyout. It's a calculated chess move with the potential to shake up social media as you know it. Microsoft's the software king, the brains behind Windows and cloud computing that keeps half the internet humming. Oracle, they're the enterprise wizards, masters of databases and cloud systems that big businesses lean on. Together, they're bringing their A-game. Microsoft's got the user-friendly tech smarts, and Oracle's got the lockdown security chops. Their pitch: ease those government jitters about TikTok while opening doors to new features and growth. It's a tag-team effort to keep the app alive in the US without it feeling like a foreign invader. But let's cut to the chase. Why should you give a damn? This isn't about corporate egos flexing in boardrooms. It's about the future of how you connect online, how your data's handled, and what pops up on your screen every day. This deal could mean a safer TikTok, sure, but also a slicker one. One that knows you better than your best friend, and maybe pushes more ads your way. It's your digital life at stake, so let's break it down step by step. First off, this Microsoft-Oracle deal is a beast of an agreement. Layers on layers of cooperation. Oracle's stepping up to run TikTok's US data infrastructure, which is a fancy way of saying they're keeping your info, like your username, watch habits, and maybe that embarrassing draft video, locked down on American servers. No more whispers about it slipping overseas. This moves a direct jab at the US government's paranoia about foreign meddling and data breaches, promising everything stays stateside under tight rules. Think of it like moving your diary from a shared locker to a personal safe. Oracle's the one turning the key. Meanwhile, Microsoft's bringing its tech wizardry to the party. They're all about state-of-the-art AI and machine learning. Stuff that could make TikTok feel like it's reading your mind. Picture this, a feed that's safer from trolls and scams, more tailored to your vibe. Maybe it knows you're obsessed with cooking hacks or skate tricks, and way more intuitive to use. Microsoft's got the software chops from years of building Windows and Azure, their cloud platform, so they could take TikTok to heights ByteDance never dreamed of. We're talking an app that doesn't just keep you hooked, but feels like it's built just for you. The price tag? Somewhere between $20 billion and $30 billion, making it one of the fattest tech acquisitions in recent memory. To give you some perspective, ByteDance, TikTok's parent, was valued at over $100 billion back in 2023, so this US slice is a hefty chunk of that pie. It's not pocket change, and it's a signal of how much everyone's betting on TikTok's future. Your data's staying on US soil, watched over by strict regulations. Think laws like the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. So, in theory, those privacy nightmares should chill out. But does it really work that way? Let's peek at some history to see. Rewind to past tech takeovers for a reality check. Microsoft snagged Skype in 2011 for $8.5 billion. Sounds sweet, right? Not so much. Integration hiccups and rivals like Zoom and WhatsApp ate its lunch, and Skype's now a ghost of its old self. Then there's Meta's playbook. They scooped up WhatsApp in 2014 for $19 billion and turned it into an ad-friendly cash cow without killing its global buzz. Instagram's another win. Meta dropped $1 billion in 2012, then piled on stories and reels, making it a revenue juggernaut. Point is, acquisitions can soar or sink. TikTok's fate could go either way. Here's the kicker though. This isn't just about dollar signs. It's about control. Handing TikTok to two American giants like Microsoft and Oracle means the US government gets a tighter leash on it, making sure it plays nice with national security goals. No more fretting about Chinese spies in your algorithm, but it's a trade-off. Uncle Sam's watching closer now. That shift's got big vibes, and it's why this deal's got everyone talking. Data privacy's been a dumpster fire for ages, and TikTok's Chinese roots just keep fanning the flames. Critics, think lawmakers and security hawks, have been screaming it's an espionage tool. Remember that 2022 Forbes scoop? They claimed ByteDance used TikTok data to track journalists digging into the company. ByteDance swears it's nonsense, but the stink won't wash off. Every time you swipe, some worry the Chinese government's peeking over your shoulder, your likes, follows, even your location. That's the mess Oracle's here to clean up. They're pros at cloud infrastructure. Think Fort Knox for data, securing sensitive stuff for banks and governments. They'll stash TikTok's US user info on American servers, locked with encryption and audited to fit laws like the CCPA. Oracle's CEO, Safra Catz, put it plain. This is about trust. We're here to keep your data safe and TikTok legit. Microsoft's not sitting idle either. They're flexing their AI muscle, tech that's already powering Bing and Office, to make TikTok sharper and safer. Imagine it sniffing out toxic comments or fake news before you see it, or fine-tuning your feed so it's less chaos, more you. Their CEO, Satya Nadella, said it best. We want creators and users to thrive. We'll do that with top-tier security and privacy. For you, that could mean less stress about scams or leaks, a smoother app, and peace of mind knowing the platform's got guardrails. But it's bigger than that. This deal's setting a blueprint for how tech giants tackle privacy and security in our hyper-connected world. So, what's this Microsoft Oracle takeover mean for your TikTok life and the creators who make it tick? Let's start with you. On the privacy front, expect tighter rules. Your data's likely chilling on US servers, locked down with laws to keep it out of foreign hands. The algorithm's getting a glow up too. Microsoft's AI could make recommendations feel freakishly spot on, tweaking your For You page to match your mood, whether it's cat videos or DIY hacks. Ads are coming in hot though. Think slick business tie-ins or sponsored clips sliding into your feed, chasing that Instagram-style revenue boost. And regionally, some countries might get a chopped-up TikTok, or none at all, depending on local politics. It's upgrades with a side of trade-offs. Now, the real stars, content creators. TikTok's a billion-user launchpad for influencers, artists, and side hustlers. Think Charli D'Amelio racking up millions with dance moves or small fries blowing up overnight. Microsoft's AI could flip the script here. Imagine auto-editing tools that trim clips in seconds, hashtag pics riding the latest trends, or a virality predictor crunching data to spot the next hit. Smaller creators might finally stand toe-to-toe with the big dogs, but there's a catch. If the algorithm shifts, will it push ad-friendly stuff over the quirky originals that built TikTok's soul? That raw, chaotic energy, will it turn corporate under Microsoft and Oracle? We'll see how they juggle innovation and vibe. So, will TikTok crash like Skype or soar like Instagram? Microsoft's spotty history with social apps, Skype's fade still stings, raises eyebrows, but Oracle's security cred might keep it afloat. Past deals show it's a gamble. Meta made WhatsApp and Instagram gold mines by leaning into ads and features, while Skype drowned in mismanagement. TikTok's got a shot at thriving if they nail the balance. This deal's more than an app swap. It's a flex for US tech dominance. In a world where screens dictate power, locking down TikTok strengthens America's digital edge. But it's a domino. Other countries might clamp down on foreign apps too, splintering the internet into regional chunks. Business, politics, and your daily scroll are blurring together, and today's boardroom calls will echo for years. The tech world's spinning wild, and this Microsoft Oracle TikTok plays just the opener. Will it make your app safer and smarter, or swap one risk for another? Picture a year out. Are you hooked on a turbocharged TikTok or missing the old chaos? Drop your take below. Excited? Worried? Both? If this clicked, like it, share it, stick around. Your scroll time's in play, and your voice might nudge what's next.